welcome to the Pillay All-Rounders. I just finished college right now. Kamea sent me a DM on WhatsApp telling me that's some big surprise because yesterday I did get some of my results back from Mancosa. So I'm waiting to go home and check what she is up to and what they have in store. Something she told me, a big surprise. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of skeptical, but anyway, I'll check out, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Kamea and I'm back with another lit video today. Today you might be guessing what I'm going to be doing today. Well, it's a really fun and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Today what I'm about to do, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I thank all of y'all for all the subscribe and the likes. We really got a little bit lot of subscribers and I really like that and I really appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel. So right, today what we are doing, we're gonna prank my brother Calvin. As you know, Calvin, he still studies, he manages 2 things, he goes to Mancosa and he still goes to college. So Calvin has just came back from college. He went to go grab a bite somewhere, he went to go eat. So what we're going to do is we're pranking him with my cat Gucci, with her letterbox. We're going to overfill it and we're going to do some weird things and we're going to just catch his reaction and see how he's going to react. And there's my brother Keaton. Come here. Say hello to everyone. You can take it now from here and talk.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up to the Pillay All-Rounder channel? So today's video is very interesting, guys. Please subscribe to our channel.
Hello Gucci. Say hello. Oh, like she likes the camera.
So today's video we're gonna prank Calvin with the Gucci letterbox, guys. So let's start.
Okay, right. We're gonna prank Calvin with the letterbox. As you know, Calvin always likes to prank me and Kaden, but today I'm working with Kaden. And yeah. Hello Gucci. Hello Gucci.
Camilla, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start mixing the room, guys. So as you can see, Gucci.
Don't you wanna use some gloves for that?
Nah.
You gotta vacuum this, you know that.
Yeah, I know. So as you can see, let's untidy up the room. Let's put everything out of order, guys. Yo, as you can see, the room starts.
I forgot to show you my outfit today. Yeah, I'm looking fly.
Let's go.
Don't you think you know? Don't throw in the bed. Don't throw in the bed. Oh my God, Kelvin's gonna be so upset when he finds out about this because one thing I should know about my brother is that he hates sand to be messed in his room. He's a clean freak. He's just like me. He hates. Yo, look at that.
Yeah. What? And let's throw some in the air. Good. Woohoo! My hands are messed.
Okay, as you can see, there's Gucci here. I'll just grab Gucci. Say hello, Gucci. Guys, there's Gucci here. Hi, Gucci. Okay, she doesn't like the camera, but she's such a sweet cat. Gucci? Okay, let's put her there. Yeah, so Kaden just went to go sort everything out and to get a sprinkler. I don't know where Kaden went now. Well, at least I have you to talk to. So there's Kaden. Where you went? Where's he?
I think he's coming now.
Just came back soon. Oh shit! Okay, Calvin came back from. Calvin came back.
What happened? Kamea, what are you doing with my Mancosa book holding it in your hand? I'm confused.
Hi, I'm just reading. I just want to check some of your work.
So as you can see,
Who did this?
it was Gucci.
It was the cat, Gucci.
Gucci got this. I told you not to put so much letterbox in.
Yeah, she was playing with it, guys.
Who are you talking to? I told you not to put so. I feel like I'm gonna die if I see all this dirt.
No, it's nice.
Come on, no, Kaden, come on. We have to bring the vacuum.
I don't want to let
I told you not to fill so much sand.
Sand
What are you doing with my Mancosa
is
book?
nice.
I'm reading a Mancosa book. I like just to know, I like to know what's happening with your life.
Your legs are on my duvet.
Yeah, that's the thing. I know.
Kamea, come on. I can't believe this, Kamea. Why is there water? Who makes water like that?
Gucci dropped all the
Does Gucci by mistake? She dropped it.
Girl, why are you doing this, baby girl? What's wrong with you? How could you do this? How did you go for your cat?
No, it's not the cat.
Kaden, it is your fault. Now you will bring the vacuum and please vacuum.
No, I'm not cleaning this.
No, Kaden, I cannot take this.
No.
Just let me just see the mess. How could you have done this? Look at this. She's even playing with this. What's going on over here, Kaden?
This is what you get, Kaden, for messing with a cat. I took the water, but then I beat the back. No, just put it fast then. I can't believe you did this to the cat. Wait, I'm full of water. Guys, I have to take a rescue with Gucci's water bowl. Out of the bathroom.
Hey guys, I'm back. I just want to tell you something. Karen is so mad. Karen hates that. And did you see his reaction? He's a clean freak, and he doesn't know that we blame Gucci, but it was Kaden instead that did that. I feel so sorry for my cat.
Found out that it was me, yo, and he messed me with a filthy water
Did
bowl.
you see how Karen messed Kaden with Gucci's water? It was epic. I hope I captured that reaction very good. So yeah, let's see where this ends up. Let's go see what he's doing. I think we should go. Right, so
guys, Kaden doesn't know what we're videoing, so he thinks we're just holding the camera for fun, so we have to actually block the camera from what he's doing. As you can see now, he's going to clean up the mess, and I don't know what is going to be his reaction, so we're going to cover the phone camera, so we're going to see what's going to happen.
Karen doesn't know that I was recording the whole time. I was recording without him knowing that that what happened. So I was basically recording. As I know, he was asking me what I was doing with the book and all. So I didn't want to tell him that I was recording. I was trying to hide it, but I couldn't find the spot where to hide it because Kevin, he's like a spy, like a detective. He likes to look for things, and he actually asked me, is this a prank or what? And I just kept quiet and I pretended like I was reading his Mancosa study books. And yeah, we'll see where this prank gets to. As I was saying, Kaladin is super angry at both of us, in fact, but it wasn't me. There was actually Kaladin that did that, not me. Kaladin's very angry. As you know, Kaladin has some anger issues, and yeah, he got a very bad temper, but this is just for the video, so we're going to end up telling him that this is just for the video. It's not like we did it on purpose. It's just for the video. As you can see, Kevin is actually cleaning Clayton's mess, what he did. I can't believe Kevin is cleaning somebody else's mess, because normally he'll never do that. So this Kaden, come Kaden! Kaden, come on, quickly! Tell them.
Yeah, this is how I get as you got the bad experience now. You know, he got really angry and had to clean on his mess, guys. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up.
Please give this video a huge thumbs up. If this video reaches to 500 subscribers and likes, I will do a challenge where I push Kaden in the pool.
Yes, guys.
And we will be in the pool. This time when we do it, if we get to 500, only then we're going to be in the pool.
Yeah, 500 subscribers and likes, guys. So,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay. This. As you can see, one thing I should know is Gucci. Gucci is scared of the vacuum. I don't know why. Gucci is still a baby. We only got Gucci when she was about 8 weeks old. So Gucci is still a small baby. And she's scared every time we use the vacuum to clean. Gucci is actually scared of the vacuum. So yeah, let's go see what they're doing back. Let's go see what they're doing. Alright. As I was saying, guys, I'm in the bathroom. I'm just like so surprised. I'm like, laughing actually at Calvin, Sharky, and Kaden. But we're going to get right into this and we're going to end up telling Calvin that this is a prank. We can't keep this any more longer, otherwise we don't know what's happening. Cal has such a very bad temper that, as you can see, my hat is Gucci, like my cat Gucci. It's Gucci, yeah. So, yeah, right. As I was saying, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video and if you watch till here, then I'm really proud of you guys. And compliment me on my outfit that I'm wearing and DM me and give some ideas to me because we're still new and we're trying to think of new ideas. So I really need new ideas on what pranks to do, what challenges to do, what baking things to do, and I really need that because we need your support and we want to videos on our subscribers. So please give this video a like and subscribe and comment. You know what happened? Come on, I was talking to them about that. I'm going to show him what to finally tell him that it's a prank. Huh? Okay.
Look at how long it took you. So lucky we are doing wedding tomorrow.
I need to show you something. Hurry, quickly.
What? Why are you holding it?
It's a prank! Go. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh my goodness, come here. I can't.
Look at him. He can't even face you. That's how embarrassing it is.
I can't believe you did that as a prank.
Yeah, I did. Well, it wasn't my idea. It was Kaden's idea. The audience caught all your whole reaction. They reacted.
That means this morning, come here, when you sent me that DM when I was at college, that this was the
Can you please move out the way? I don't know what he's dancing for because he doesn't know how to dance, so yeah.
So Kaden, this morning when you and Camilla sent me that WhatsApp DM, which would tell me
Get out the way.
surprise for my results, this was the surprise to prank me with the letterbox.
Yeah, boy.
Guys, as you can see, I really did get a bit angry in that video. Please mind me or the content that happened there. It was just all part of the YouTube.
I told the viewers that you have an anger issue.
Yeah, when I see dirt, I can go crazy, guys. I'm so sorry about that. Anyway, Kaden really did prank me and get me about it because I really do it. We're so lucky that the girl is coming tomorrow and our duvet is getting washed tomorrow. So thank goodness. But then I was wondering, how did Gucci Duchess mess this much with Sam? It looked like somebody sprinkled, but then I was still skeptical. That's why this morning when you told me I have a surprise, I was skeptical when I was at college.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was. Anyway, guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video for them pranking me.
Okay, let's see. Go bring Gucci. You want to talk to them. Go bring Gucci. Gucci? I also mentioned that Gucci is very scared of the vacuum.
Yeah,
and we just got her and she's 8 weeks old. She's still a baby. Can you see that?
Tell them, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, the video again.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.
And we are...
Play all around us.
Thanks, guys.
We out.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye for them, Gucci. We out.
Bye.